bitch, how you doing? If you're new, my name's Bella. Hello, how you doing? Makeup enthusiast, registered nurse, low-key psycho. And, where was I going with this? I don't know, but welcome. So, I've had this shit for a minute. It's like this little set I got with a rhinestone applicator. And it came with colors and clear. And I want to play with this shit, so let's go. I was going low-key do this for like a holiday look, but I was working too much because I was running to the bag. The bag was not running for me with that holiday pay. Okay, so I'll take what we call chewers. Let me get this mirror close because my fucking blind ass bitch. We might use my Beetlejuice mirror. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do just clear ones today. We might do another look with the colorful ones. I kind of want to just put it on a border. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make them even, but this shit dries so fucking fast, bitch. I'm gonna try to make it even. One, 2. Oh, I'm getting this glue in my lashes. Oh, it's already drying. Never mind. You can tell it's my first time. Okay, so we gonna take that applicator. Fuck, this shit dries fast. Fuck. It's got numbers from 1 to... Fuck, I can't read. From 1 to 12. I wanna go with these medium size ones. I'm gonna go into number 10. There's one shorter. Ooh, I need to hurry up, bitch. It's already drying. Okay. So I'm gonna use the little applicator thing. How the fuck do you grab it? Oh, it's like a magnet. Ew, sponsor. See? And we'll stick all the time. Ooh, she owned it. She owned it. Let's get closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. Is that as open personal as we're gonna get? I'm gonna have to do one at a time. Goddamn, that glue dry already. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all get the deal, I guess. I swear, when I don't be filming for a minute, I be feeling really fucking... We lost one! Oh, I forgot to say how much this was. This was, I believe like $8, which isn't bad for what you're getting. Pretty dope. So I like this a lot, and they come in all the different sizes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking through this because we gonna do the rest. Maybe I'm gonna do as many as I wanted now. We're gonna do the same sizes. I'm dipping into number 10. And I'll link this kit down below if you guys are interested. I think it's a super steal. I believe it was $10. Fuck, what am I saying? I I know it's under 15 for sure, which is a steal for all the shit that you get, because just the applicator alone was like at least $6 or $8. So I keep losing stones. Coco's gonna have a field day. She's gonna be like, yes, give me all the stones. She's gonna be like Thanos, collecting stones off the floor for her infinity gauntlet. Any other Marvel nerds out there? I can't be the only one. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Talking to my inanimate objects. I need to stop slouching. My mom used to take pictures of strangers in the street that were like majorly slouched over or hunched back, and she'd make it her screensaver. Come home and purposely show me, am I still up? This is what your future looks like if you keep slouching. So it's not my fault I am the way I am. That's the whole point of the story. Ooh, girl. This is definitely something different. I like this. I like this a lot. Honestly, I tried getting like the ones that they sell in the craft store. We've lost another one. I would put those on my face, but no. What the fuck was I saying? Oh, I had bought a bunch of them. They were like kind of stickers off Amazon, but I couldn't get them like from the package onto my face. Like half of them ended up falling on the floor because there was like no way to like grab them. And I even used tweezers and shit too. So this is like really sweet that this has that magnet applicator. Cause I was like, yo, how are people doing this? Or am I just like special or something that I can't get it to work for me? I can't get it to work for me. So we got the one side done. Ooh, holy shit. That's mad cute. I feel like my eyelash is covering it up. Ooh. Oh. My neighbor's probably gonna want to kill me. It's like fucking 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna try to make these even, but you know how that shit go. What I got? I got 2 more. And I keep getting that in my eyelashes. Oh my god. These are probably ruins now. Shit. Let's brush that out. Lost another one. Gonna pour out some drink for my dead homies in a second. I'm my fallen homies. Like that one's laying so funky. Well, here we are. I think it's super cute. Should I put 1 more right here? Or like 2 more? I feel like I always overdo shit. Let's just leave it alone. But anyway, yeah guys, this is super, super cute. Let me show you up close because that was like, we were using number 10 and they have a shit ton of like other sizes. They're like way smaller. So number 10 is the ones we have on right here, but you see how tiny they get? They go up in size. And then they have the same thing with the colors. And they all came together. It's such a cool deal. Something fun, man. Bedazzle your whole face. Bedazzle your vajayjay if your man likes that. Make him a little surprise. Put a heart down there or something. Spell out his name. He'll be like, wow, that's different. No one's ever loved me like this before. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm digging this look. This sounds different. Something different I would normally not do. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Wash your hands and your booty. Bye.